Life after 60 can feel different, can feel slower, can feel like your body is betraying you, but it doesn't have to be that way. You may have heard that losing muscle, feeling weaker in your legs, struggling to climb stairs, or moving slower is inevitable. But science is showing us something revolutionary. The truth is that your body, your muscles, your energy, and your strength respond to the right kind of care, no matter your age. The mistake most people make is believing that exercising more, drinking bone broth, or taking protein supplements alone is enough. Many dedicated, health-conscious adults still experience muscle loss. That's because the secret to staying strong and youthful lies not just in working hard, but in understanding how your body actually heals, grows, and responds to nutrition and movement after 60. The University of Tokyo, along with research in Europe and the United States, has discovered that there are common, affordable foods that rebuild muscles faster than expensive protein powders. These foods are not magic, they are science-backed tools that can transform your body, energy, and life. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling light in your legs, steady on your feet, and ready to move through your day without fatigue. That vision is not far away. Simple, consistent habits can make it real. Foods like salmon, pumpkin seeds, lentils, Greek yogurt, sardines, hemp seeds, and eggs don't just provide protein, they provide the exact nutrients your muscles need to repair, strengthen, and thrive. Salmon, for example, is packed with omega-3 fats and vitamin D. These nutrients reduce inflammation in aging muscles and enhance their ability to rebuild. Studies have shown that eating salmon just 2 to 3 times a week can improve muscle protein synthesis by nearly 30%. That's almost unheard of in older adults, where muscle building is usually much slower. Pairing it with vitamin C-rich vegetables like broccoli or spinach amplifies its benefits, ensuring your body absorbs and utilizes every ounce of protein effectively. Pumpkin seeds are another powerhouse, often overlooked. They contain magnesium and zinc, minerals critical for muscle contraction, balance, and recovery. Many seniors experience leg cramps, instability, or fatigue simply because these minerals are low. Just a handful of pumpkin seeds daily can stabilize your legs, reduce cramps, and help muscles recover faster from even light activity. Lentils, with their slow-release protein, nourish your muscles steadily for hours, keeping them in a growth state instead of breaking down. Regularly eating lentils, especially when prepared properly with soaking in gentle spice like turmeric or cumin, strengthens your body from within, providing energy and endurance. Greek yogurt offers a dual action effect. Fast-absorbing whey stimulates muscle protein immediately after exercise, while slow-digesting casein nourishes muscles throughout the night, preventing overnight breakdown. Sardines, though small, pack a mighty punch with vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and CoQ10. They support muscle repair, energy production, and reduce fatigue in ways that many people overlook. Hemp seeds are absorbed almost completely by the body, delivering protein directly to your muscles without taxing your digestive system. Arginine in hemp seeds boosts circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach every fiber of your muscles. Finally, eggs contain leucine and choline, nutrients that act like switches to turn on muscle growth and strengthen communication between your brain and your muscles. Eating whole eggs, not just the whites, ensures you get maximum benefits, helping your arms and legs regain strength while improving coordination and movement efficiency. The key is not just to eat these foods occasionally, but to integrate them consistently into your life. Begin your day with eggs or a seed mix to kickstart muscle recovery. Take salmon or lentils at lunch to maintain sustained energy, and end the day with Greek yogurt or lentils to fuel your body overnight. Over weeks, these small, daily decisions lead to noticeable changes. Your legs feel lighter, your muscles firmer, your steps more confident. This is not about perfection or extreme diets. It's about empowering your body to use what you already give it, alongside proper nutrition. Gentle movement, simple stretches, short walks, or light resistance exercises signals your muscles that they are needed and supported. Combined with a positive mindset, the habit of daily gratitude, and mental engagement, this approach doesn't just preserve your health, it transforms it, letting you feel energetic, youthful, and fully capable in your daily life. That movement is the cornerstone of vitality. Yet many seniors believe that as the years pass, they must slow down and accept weakness as a fact of life. But here's the truth. Your muscles, bones, and joints thrive on consistent, intentional motion, even gentle activity. It doesn't have to be exhausting, complicated, or require a gym membership. The secret lies in understanding your body's capacity and working with it, not against it. Light resistance exercises, balance drills, and stretching are not just nice to do. They are critical for maintaining independence, energy, and confidence. Even 5 minutes in the morning can set the tone for a day of strength, alertness, and balance. Your body craves these signals. Movement tells your muscles and bones you are needed, and in response, your body repairs, strengthens, and adapts. Start small. A simple standing leg lift while brushing your teeth, or a gentle seated twist during your morning coffee, can wake up muscles that have been dormant. Walking, even in short spurts around the house or neighborhood, improves circulation, strengthens the heart, and encourages lung capacity. Light resistance exercises, using small weights or even household items like water bottles, signal your muscles to maintain size, shape, and power. Research from Harvard Medical School confirms that older adults who engage in regular strength training improve muscle mass, coordination, and metabolic health, lowering their risk of falls, diabetes, and fatigue. Balance exercises, like standing on one leg for a few seconds or slow heel-to-toe walks, strengthen the core and stabilize joints. These movements may seem simple, but they are powerful tools for resilience and confidence in daily life. Over time, they reduce wobbliness, prevent injuries, and make even previous daunting tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries feel effortless. Lifestyle choices amplify the effects of movement. Sleep is a non-negotiable pillar of health. Deep, restorative sleep allows your muscles to recover, hormones to rebalance, and energy to recharge. For seniors, a consistent bedtime routine, dim lights, a warm shower, gentle stretches, and avoiding screens can dramatically improve sleep quality. Hydration is another underestimated factor. As we age, our sense of thirst diminishes, yet muscles, joints, and even brain function depend on water. Drinking adequate water, infused with lemon or cucumber for flavor and electrolytes, ensures that your body operates efficiently. Stress management is equally vital. Chronic stress releases cortisol, which breaks down muscle tissue, weakens bones, and slows recovery. Techniques like mindful breathing, meditation, or simply spending quiet time in reflection are not luxuries. They are life-saving interventions for maintaining youthfulness, energy, and resilience. Mental attitude plays a role as critical as diet or exercise. A positive mindset rewires the brain to perceive challenges as opportunities, not limitations. Visualizing yourself moving confidently, smiling while active, or feeling light and energized creates neurological patterns that reinforce real-life strength. Many seniors unknowingly sabotage themselves with phrases like, "I'm too old for this," or "It's normal to be weak." These words aren't just thoughts, they are self-fulfilling prophecies. Replace them with affirmations. I am strong, I am capable, I nourish my body and my energy every day. When you combine these mental cues with consistent movement, proper nutrition, and lifestyle choices, the transformation is dramatic. Your body responds to your mind's commands, and every day you feel more powerful, balanced, and youthful. Social engagement also influences vitality. Connecting with friends, joining community classes, or even engaging in life group activities motivates you to move, laugh, and participate in life fully. Laughter alone stimulates blood flow, reduces inflammation, and activates endorphins that naturally lift energy. Seniors who maintain social bonds report higher energy, better sleep, and improved physical performance. Nutrition, movement, lifestyle, and mindset all work together in a feedback loop. Eating nourishing food strengthens your muscles, which makes movement easier. Movement enhances sleep and energy. Energy improves mood and mental clarity. Mental clarity motivates consistent, healthy choices. This cycle is not theoretical, it's a practical, achievable system that any senior can implement immediately. Now, imagine integrating these small habits consistently. A morning of stretching, gentle resistance, and balance exercises followed by a nutrient-packed breakfast primes your body for the day. Walks or light activity during the day, proper hydration, mindful breaks, and mental exercises like journaling or meditation keep energy levels high. Evenings with gentle stretches, a protein-rich snack, and reflection solidify gains overnight. The results: greater strength, lighter steps, improved posture, steadier balance, and a body that feels years younger than its chronological age. You are not at the mercy of time. Your choices determine the quality of every day. With dedication, consistency, and the belief that you deserve vitality, seniors everywhere are proving that age is truly just a number. By now, you've seen how simple choice, nutrition, light exercise, hydration, sleep, and a positive mindset can transform the body and mind. But transformation isn't a one-time effort. It's a daily commitment. What separates those who merely age from those who thrive is the mastery of routine, the belief that every day is an opportunity to grow stronger, wiser, and more energized. Imagine starting your day with intention, the first movement, the first bite of food, the first conscious breath sets the trajectory for your entire day. Seniors who embrace this idea don't just live longer, they live better, with vitality, confidence, and joy. Advanced strategies are not complicated, they are about building on the foundation you've already created. For example, intermittent movement throughout the day keeps circulation high, joints lubricated, and muscles engaged. Simple techniques like standing every hour, walking while on phone calls, or doing mini stretches during TV breaks ensure that the body never becomes stagnant. Incorporating resistance bands, light weights, or bodyweight exercises like squats and wall push-ups strengthens bones and muscles without risk. These are not extreme regimens. They are practical tools that fit seamlessly into your daily life. And with each repetition, each small effort, your body remembers strength, flexibility, and resilience. Your cells respond to these signals with increased energy production, faster repair, and reduced inflammation. Nutrition continues to play a pivotal role. It's not just what you eat, but how you eat. Prioritize foods rich in antioxidants, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. These fuel muscles, protect organs, and keep your brain sharp. Meals packed with colorful vegetables, berries, nuts, seeds, and omega-3 rich fish help combat inflammation and maintain heart health. Seniors who focus on nutrient-dense foods notice more energy, improved mood, and even better sleep. Hydration remains essential. A well-hydrated body supports joint mobility, digestion, and cognitive clarity. Pairing water intake with mineral-rich beverages like herbal teas or infused water enhances absorption and keeps the body energized. Every mindful bite, every sip of water becomes an act of self-respect, signaling to your body that it deserves vitality, strength, and longevity. Yet, no routine is complete without mastering the mind. Mindset is the secret weapon of youthful seniors. Embrace curiosity and learning. Challenging the brain with puzzles, reading, or new skills keeps cognitive function high. Gratitude practices, writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day. Reframe your perspective, reduce stress, and boost serotonin levels. Visualization is another powerful tool. See yourself moving confidently, laughing freely, and feeling light, energetic, and capable. Your brain doesn't distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences, so visualization reinforces strength, balance, and vitality in the real world. Positive self-talk isn't optional, it's mandatory. Replace doubts like "I'm too old" with affirmations. "I am strong, capable, and full of energy today." These words shape neural pathways, rewiring your brain to prioritize growth, resilience, and health. Creating a daily rhythm amplifies all of these benefits. Start with morning stretches, light resistance, and a balanced breakfast. Midday, incorporate movement and hydration, perhaps a short walk or standing exercises. Afternoon can be dedicated to mental stimulation, reading, journaling, or social interaction. Evenings should focus on restorative practices, gentle stretches, a nutrient-rich dinner, and moments of gratitude or reflection. Consistency is the superpower. When these habits become automatic, they create a compounding effect, enhancing energy, flexibility, mood, and confidence. Aging stops being a decline, it becomes a deliberate journey of empowerment. Social connection enhances every aspect of health. Regular interaction, whether family visits, phone calls, or community activities, stimulate emotional well-being, improves cognitive function, and motivates physical activity. Seniors who remain socially engaged report better sleep, reduced stress, and higher life satisfaction. Laughter, shared experiences, and simple companionship are not luxuries, they are essential for a youthful mind and body. Combine this with your movement, nutrition, and mindset practices, and you create a holistic approach to wellness that keeps you energetic, sharp, and youthful. The most important point to remember is this: age is not a barrier, it is a challenge and invitation to prove that vitality, energy, and joy are achievable at every stage of life. Every small step counts. Every choice you make communicates to your body and mind, whether you are embracing life or surrendering to decline. Seniors around the world are rewriting the narrative of aging, showing that with intention, consistency, and belief in oneself, it's possible to feel decades younger than your chronological age. You are capable of strength, resilience, and vibrancy that can surprise even yourself. So take action now. Move your body, nourish it with wholesome foods, rest deeply, hydrate mindfully, cultivate positivity, and maintain social connection. Let every day be a testament to your commitment to health, energy, and youthfulness. Visualize yourself vibrant, alert, and joyful. With persistence and belief, every step, every bite, and every thought become a building block for a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. Your journey doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be consistent. Embrace it fully, and watch as your energy rises, your strength returns, and your life transforms. Remember, the power to stay youthful, energetic, and vibrant is in your hands, and it begins with the choices you make today.